Lovage is a remarkable herb and it's good for the digestive tract and the respiratory system. It's nutritionally dense and it can be eaten fresh to preserve its nutrients. The herb can contribute to better immunity, as well as energize and strengthen the body. The anti-inflammatory nature of the lovage makes it perfect for soothing upset stomachs and returning your gastrointestinal system to a neutral state. It can help to reduce bloating and excessive gas by reducing irritation in the bowels and promoting healthy normal movement in the colon. The natural anti-inflammatory nature of the lovage makes it a perfect cure for people who are suffering from conditions like gout, arthritis, and hemorrhoids. If you suffer from painful inflammation anywhere in the body, simply consume some lovage leaves or add the herb to a dish. Lovage is loaded with compounds that can pacify rough patches in the body. Compounds in the lovage provide this benefit include the limonene, eugenol, and the quercetin. Research involving limonene has shown that it provides soothing effects throughout the body, although it's been particularly noted to help reduce issues associated with colitis. If you're suffering from a respiratory ailment, the lovage can act as an expectorant and clear out excessive phlegm and mucus in the tracts. Additionally, the eucalyptol, one of the primary soothing agents found in it, can reduce the irritation and the inflammation in the lungs, encouraging a more rapid healing. When taken at the beginning of a menstrual period, the lovage can act to soothe many of the most severe side effects of the menstruation, including cramps and bloating. It's also a high nutrient density, and this makes it effective for keeping your energy and your mood high during the most stressful part of the month. Though the exact mechanism isn't completely understood, lovage has been shown to improve kidney health. It acts as a strange type of diuretic known as an aquaretic. This encourages urination, but it doesn't lead to a loss of electrolytes. This is a much healthier form of urination if you're trying to detoxify the body without the risk of dehydration. The soothing properties of the lovage also extend to the skin. When the leaves are applied directly to the skin, or a salve is made, it can be effective for reducing the symptoms of psoriasis and acne, leading to smoother, better-looking skin. The antioxidants that are found in it can help to prevent wrinkles. In some cases, an increased blood flow to the surface of the skin can improve the tone and the appearance. Research has shown the lovage has a significant effect on various microbes and foreign agents that can cause illnesses in the body. Although research is still ongoing, studies have found positive relations between lovage intake and a reduction in E. coli, salmonella, and other dangerous infections. Many of the health benefits of lovage relate to its anti-inflammatory and its soothing nature, and the same is true for soothing the effects of allergens. Additionally, it contains a significant amount of quercetin, and this is a natural inhibitor of histamines. This will decrease the allergic response of the body, removing itchy eyes, runny nose, and other more serious allergic reactions. The regular use of lovage can help to support healthy joints. It's a good benefit for the elderly who usually have problems with joint health. Consume lovage to support the lungs. It can manage healthy lung conditions and improve the lung movement. It's essential to make the proper distribution of air and oxygen throughout the body. Lovage has mild pain-relieving properties, and it can help to relieve joint pain, abdominal cramps, possibly headaches and other types of pain. Research shows the angelic acid is responsible for the mild analgesic properties, but other volatile oils, also nutrients in there like magnesium, have antispasmodic effects, and these also contribute to the pain-relieving effects. Lovage has a unique smell, and the leaves are effective for keeping your breath fresh. Many people believe that consuming the leaves can help to soothe any cold syndrome. Thus the leaves are suitable to add to any soup or herbal remedy when you have a cold or a fever. Most plants produce chemicals that help to fight harmful organisms. While some chemicals like resveratrol act independently, researchers have found the chemical compounds in lovage work together, and they create a more powerful effect against the harmful organisms. They've found that lovage extracts are powerful against gram-negative bacteria like E. coli, salmonella, Helicobacter pylori, and influenza. Occasionally, if you're sick with a urinary tract infection or any other illness, it can disturb the appetite. It's important to eat when your body is fighting an infection. It requires extra nutrients, and you run the risk of malnutrition. If you find yourself struggling to maintain a healthy appetite, try drinking some Lovage tea before a meal to relax your digestive system. Lovage tea can be applied to wounds as an antiseptic or drunk to stimulate digestion. It's considered a warming and a tonic herb for the digestive and the respiratory system. It's used primarily in the treatment of indigestion, poor appetite, wind, colic, and bronchitis. The roots, leaves, fruit are antispasmodic, aromatic, carminative, diaphoretic, digestive, diuretic, mildly expectorant, and stimulant. They are used internally in the treatment of disordered stomachs, especially in cases of colic and flatulence in children, kidney stones, cystitis, painful menstruation, and slow labour. Externally, the root is used in the treatment of sore throats and ulcers. The lovage is used for infections in the urinary tract, kidney, and for bladder stones. It was used in the 12th century to relieve abdominal pain, heart conditions, and for digestive complaints like coughing and congestion. It was used in the school of Salerno as a natural remedy to support the liver and to treat jaundice. The leaves can be used in salads or to make soups or to season broths. The root can be eaten as a vegetable or grated and used in salads. The seeds can be used as a spice similar to fennel seeds. An alcoholic Lovage cordial is traditionally mixed with brandy in the ratio of 2:1 as a winter drink in the UK. The leaves and the stems are consumed raw or cooked. It's used as a savoury flavouring in salads, soups and stews, and it can impart a yeasty celery flavour. The young stems can be blanched and used like celery in salads. The seed has a strong yeasty flavour, and this can be used in flavouring cakes, soups and salads. A tea can be made from the dried leaves and the grated roots. An essential oil from the root is commercially sold as a food flavouring. People in the Netherlands use it as an ingredient in an asparagus dish. Lovage can be found in capsules where a typical dose is 2 capsules once or twice per day. An infusion can be made by steeping 1 tablespoon of the leaves in 1 pint of boiling water for 7 minutes and drinking several cups throughout the day. Lovage contains the alleged psychotropic compound myristicine that's found in nutmeg. The volatile oil is an irritant. It's contraindicated with kidney and urinary passage inflammation. Lovage can be harmful for women, and it's recommended that women who are pregnant or suffering from menstrual disorders should avoid the herb. Lovage can cause photodermatitis, a skin allergy that occurs after eating the herb and exposing yourself to sunlight. People with kidney problems should refrain from consuming or using lovage or its derivatives. People with allergic conditions should avoid lovage. Lovage is closely related to celery, so avoid if you're also allergic to celery. To learn more about herbs, supplements and natural treatment plans, check out my website.